no, oh no, not me. I did it my
16 fois.
For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself.